Hello everyone, my name is Brianna Chesson. Today is March 6th, 2020. So I live in Sulphur, Louisiana. It's where I was originally from, although I did live most of my life in Oklahoma, in Enid and Durant. My dad's job had moved us around quite a bit. So anyways, they moved back home. My parents did. They moved back home like 4 years ago, and I was still in college. So I wanted to finish college so I didn't have to worry about transferring or anything crazy like that. So finished that, and now I'm back home. Let's see. I did enlist in the Army National Guard, so that was another thing that was kind of keeping me in the Oklahoma area for a little bit. But luckily, I'm able to do some courtesy drills over here until my ETS date. So I'm actually getting out in September, this September. So my 6 years are almost up. I may or may not re-enlist. I don't know. So my hobbies include going to the gym, visiting with family now that I'm back here in Louisiana, and I actually get to do that now. Pretty boring, but I like video games. So I love some Call of Duty and Battlefield and Last of Us. Half of you probably don't know what that is, but they're fun. My occupation. So I actually work as a mail carrier, as a CCA for the United States Postal Service. I started that last year, like whenever I moved back home. So it's not bad. I actually really like it. And let's see, what else? I do not live with my family. So when I say move back home, I mean like strictly like the city, like the town. I do live by myself. It gets really boring because I don't have any dogs or cats, but I really want one. I'm a dog person. So reasons for taking this course. Well, to be honest, it wasn't exactly my first choice, but it is a prerequisite that I need to fulfill for dental school. So I'm taking that along with 3 other courses through this program. Full-time student. I've already graduated, but the load that I'm taking right now, just with the online uni courses, it's technically full-time. Quite a few of them. I mean, 4 at the same time is kind of a lot for online classes, especially for science-based. Applying to graduate programs. Yes, I am applying. Not currently, but after these courses are completed, I'll be applying to the dental programs like all around the United States. So yeah, that was just a little bit about me. Anyways, I look forward to getting to know you guys, and yeah, good luck.